guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Misha here, of course. So I am getting into another wig review. Okay, so today's wig is a 210, which you guys saw earlier in the earlier clips. This is a 210 density deep wave bob wig. And I love, guys, I love that this hair comes with a band already attached to it. Again, the details of this hair, it came from a company, Megalook, okay? Megalook, your hair, your glory. Love that. So cute. Y'all, it's on here. It ain't going nowhere. Like, let me make sure this is pulled forward, though. Like, this is not going anywhere. But look how this is looking already, y'all. Look how cute and effortless and natural this looks, y'all. I freaking love it. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing this so much. Great bomb company, great products, great hair. Like, apart from the grandma house smell, like, everything about this wig is perfect. Okay.